while she gently slept. I cried and wept, her promise was unkept. I wagered it all and lost the bet. I remember the night we met. I said, leave your rich husband. She said yes. So with this pauper, all night she crept in my one-room apartment. We had beautiful sex. When it was time to go, I told her not yet. Then we did it again, and she said I was the best. She promised to leave the prince for this pauper, but then she changed her mind after. She loves when I give her sweet water, but the mansion and the diamonds give her more laughter. She says sex is real, but she's leaving me still, because it doesn't pay the bill, at least not like her husband will. Though he cannot fill